係 Rexon 徐朗橋，香港 U18男子冰球隊守門員。多謝總會對我哋支持，近幾年總會勁力推廣冰球，所以我哋嘅冰球實力都節節上升。我想多謝善德基金會同埋運動員希望基金一直對我哋青少年運動員嘅支持。
同埋我想多謝我哋嘅 Head Coach Mike Vehero 對我哋嘅用心栽培，令到我哋可以喺比賽嘅時候團結同埋發揮咗最好嘅水平。
而我想多謝教練、總會、家人同埋收嚟支持我哋嘅人。
我想下年繼續入選 U18冰球隊，同埋可以下年喺世錦賽入面奪冠，令到我哋可以打一個更高嘅 division。
大家好，我哋係香港男子 U16棍網球代表隊嘅成員。
多謝善德基金會同埋運動員希望基金，佢一直支持我哋香港青少年嘅運動員。
多謝教練一直以來對我哋嘅悉心栽培，同埋總會一直以來俾咁多資源我哋，令我哋可以放心咁樣去進步。
多謝家長一直以嚟默默嘅支持同埋付出，去俾我哋安心去玩呢一個運動，同埋多謝我哋身邊嘅一班隊友。
我哋會活用呢幾年好好咁繼續進步同埋提升自己，希望喺下一屆 U20錦標賽度取得好成績，好好咁表現我哋自己，令更多人認識香港棍網球。
大家好，我係香港桌球運動員溫國豪。我覺得呢個獎係一個 milestone， 咁可以推動自己去更加去努力啦。多謝善德基金會同運動員希望基金頒呢個獎俾我。咁我未來嘅目標就希望可以喺成人國際組度攞冠軍。
我哋係中國香港乒乓球運動員。
多謝善德基金會同運動員希望基金頒呢個獎俾我哋，同對我哋嘅肯定。
未來目標係明年嘅亞青同埋世青可以爭取好成績。
Hi everyone, my name is Heidi Wu and I am a fencer in the Hong Kong fencing team. I feel like this award is a great encouragement for me, and it feels like that I have a lot of people who supports me and my achievements, and I feel really proud of what I've achieved this year. My future goal is to be able to represent the senior team, senior fencing team, to go out and get more experience and fence the national fencers. Thank you Shine Tech Foundation and the Sports for Hope Foundation for giving me this award.